I'm gonna go with the pedals.
Okay. Oh my God, look at that. All that smoke.
From who?
I don't know. Hopefully they're hotboxing and not driving with us. All right. Hold up. Okay. Bang out forward. I gotta get back to it. Rear wheel steering on this one.
4 quickies, he says. Oh, heavier brake. Heavier brake pedal in the event door. I like it.
Oh, it sticks.
Oh my God, this thing fucking drips.
It's amazing. I don't understand how it does it where the engine is. It's hopping a bit though. It's the rear end hopping at the limit. The rear diffs go in these things because I do so much work just to keep the car straight.
Well, you can feel it once it slides.
We already had to repair the rear diff once and it's just normal.
Really?
Yep. Because it does, it fights, it's active, you know? It's amazing it does that with that much speed. I mean, little engine, that much speed.
Oh, there it is, stepping a little bit.
Well, yeah, you know.
One more lap, we're done?
One more.
You got it, brother. Too much fun, man. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's great. It's all you can eat buffet. Hit. Whoa. Yeah, buddy. Andiamo! Wait, it's a German car. What do we say?
Mach schnell! Mach schnell!
Slow for the exit.
More fast, more fast!
Mach schnell. Ah, you know where to put it.
What side do you? Right in front of that, right behind that Lambo.
Yep.
Oh, dude.
Stop right here.
Yep.
So you can park. We'll let it sit so we don't cook it. Turn everything else off. So what's your favorite?
Oh, I think I'd want the Lambo motor in this car.
Then you'd be dead.
Oh, dude. Unreal. Unreal. That was so much fucking fun.
Yeah.
I don't want to hold you up. I know you got to work. Yep.
But it's good seeing you. Margie was asking about you. She's here just to go see her family. She was asking how everybody's doing.
Oh, is she down there today?
Yeah. Say goodbye. Hey, bye-bye.
Thank you.